So starting in the center of the dashboard, we have the heater control with hot and cold, and these ones are for direction of the air for the windscreen or through the front vents. Here we have a 12-volt lighter socket. Here we have the hazard warnings or the four-way flash. This one is for the heater blower motor. Here we have the choke. You will not need this unless you're in cold climate, and this is a unused switch. Next here we have the fuel gauge, and this is a reminder of which side the diesel filler hole is. Here's the clock. This one is the battery warning light. If this one comes on, you should speak to one of Snail House about the issue in hand. This one is a brake warning. Again, speak to us if this one comes on. And if this one comes on, you should definitely stop and check your oil level. If it's all okay, then you should speak to us again. This one here shows the the vehicle speed. This one is for the main beam. You turn on the headlights there, and to turn on main, you push this stalk away from you. And a blue indicator light will show on the dashboard there. When you turn on the indicators, you use the stalk as most normal cars, left and right. And this light is the glow plug warning light. Again, if this one comes on, except for in the first 5 seconds of use, you should speak to one of us. And here we have a very important gauge, it's the engine temperature. You should never be more than here, around 80 to 90 degrees. If you get more than 90 towards 100, we recommend you to stop, let the engine cool down and check the coolant level. On here, the stalk just to my left, we have the wiper speed, 1 twist, 2 and 3. And finally, if you pull it all the way towards you, you have the washer screen fluid. And finally, on the left side of the steering wheel here, we have the windscreen wiper control with speed 1, 2 and 3. And the windscreen washer being to push the stalk inwards towards the center of the steering wheel. In the next section of the video, I'd like to show you how to start and control the car. First, you're going to stick the key into the ignition and gently turn until stage 2. When you do, you should see these lights come on, paying special attention to the yellow one. When the yellow glow plug lamp is on and then turns off, the engine is ready to start. The oil lamp here should go off, and this one will remain on for a moment until the engine speed has been increased. And here we have a important but quite well hidden section of the camper van, which we refer to as the garage section. In here you will find some breakdown tools, a high-vis jacket, some spares, and importantly the documents folder with the vehicle documents, insurance and everything like that all stashed away perfectly in there.